Hey friends, happy Wednesday. Thanks for joining me. Well, today I've got a lot to do. I want to get this whole entryway done for Christmas and I wanted to have a magical festive feel. So I have a lot to do. Like I said, family's coming this week and it's like crunch time for me. So I'm going to try to get as much done as I can this morning, but I'm going to have to factor in editing. So if I take too long, I may have to cut this video short, but if I can keep it rolling, I plan to do the whole thing. Fingers crossed. Okay, friends, we're gonna start here, but before we do, I ordered all these rugs from Amazon. I absolutely love them. I will warn you, these are the ones that are a little difficult to vacuum. You basically take your vacuum, go like this, pick it up, go back like this, another run this way, pick it up, and keep doing that till you get your carpet vacuum. That's the only downfall because the vacuum wants to grab it. So like I said, go one brush, pick it up, back, another run, pick it up. That's how you have to do it with these. I will say I do like the padding on them. I love these. I have them all over my house. You guys know I do. But anyway, currently I have this rug all down here on the main level, which I love. I will bring these out in the springtime, but for the winter time, I thought these would be beautiful, especially with my furniture. So we have several areas to decorate down here. Like I said, I'm not sure how far we'll get, but I want to bring a real festive feel here. Then let's go over here. I want to share this. This is a new sofa table I got. What drew me to it was the design. Pardon the wires, I think I'll be able to hide those. But I loved the design. It was fairly inexpensive for what you get. It's big, I love it. It comes in different wood tones and designs on the back. I have another one upstairs with a different design. You'll see that coming up. But I wanted something big here to fill the space. So we're gonna decorate this very festive. Then I have this like hallway right here. I want to put one of those rugs there. We'll get rid of this one. I want to create like a sitting area back there. So I'm going to start by putting these rugs down. And now that's how it looks. And I wanted to put a long runner down that way. So I decided to put it here in this walkway because I forgot I'm going to have a big rug down there. So I didn't want it to be too much. I want to have separation. So we got that down and now I have this larger rug and we're going to put this in a little sitting area back there. You know that movie, A Christmas Story? I was like the dad in The Christmas Story just a few moments ago. It's a good thing I wasn't filming because I was like, frickle frat, frickin', you know, because I was trying to get my chair on top of the rug and every time I pulled it, it was like getting the rug all cockeyed and I didn't have anyone to help me. Maybe I'll order a little one for right there. So right here, I want to swag some garland. I have this gorgeous wreath that I found on Amazon. It comes with the ribbon and a battery pack so that you can light it up. I've been running around with my head cut off looking for extension cords and batteries. No cigar. So I won't be able to show you the full look with it all lit up. But just know if you love this wreath, it comes with batteries and it's gorgeous. I love these little felt pieces. And the frosted berries, it's so pretty. And it comes with the bow too. So that's what it looks like. And I'm keeping it simple. I really am. Go in with this table runner. I like the little scalloped edges and the pops of gold. Doesn't that look festive? I love it. Maximalist alert, maximalist alert. I'm going in with lots of stuff. So we have a tree here, a tree there, and then we're going down a level on both sides. Now we're adding more stuff. Candle holder, 2 of them. And now I'm going to go in with 2 gold glittery trees. Right along, we're going to work on this area and make it super festive. Now, you guys know I'm going for the Mackenzie Childs inspired look, and I have nutcrackers all upstairs, so I want to carry that downstairs. So let me go get my nutcrackers. You guys may remember him from last year. I love him. This is a Walmart find, so reasonably priced, and he lights up. I have another matching wreath to the one over there. So when you walk in, it's like matching, and then over here matching. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And now I'm going to, I guess, add some cute festive things right here, and then we're going to decorate down below. By the way, I love that little light down there. It illuminates the walkway at night, and it makes it feel so cozy. Next, I have these 2 nutcrackers. They're going to go on the table along with 2 trees. That's looking really festive, but now let's decorate down below. Next, I have 2 of these. These are great space fillers. I have 2, and I'm going to put 1 on either side of that little lamp. Okay, now at each end, I'm going in with 2 lanterns, and each one has a nutcracker inside. So I think what I'm going to do is add some red velvet ribbon or satin ribbon to each lantern. I won't be doing that on camera today, but I think it will give it an extra festive feel. Okay, so right here I have this table that I found on Amazon. I don't think it's available. It's too bad because it was only $99 and it's a great looking table. Kind of rustic, farmhousey, kind of cute. I love it. I'm going to be keeping my display here rather simple. So some of you are familiar with the store Luckett's. I went there and I found this. I don't know why. You guys, I still love farmhouse. I just do. But I found this and I thought it was unique. Now, one thing that was on it was this really cool iron hook. And I loved it. That was the selling point for me because they had it hooked right here and then it had this really cool hook. And in my mind's eye, I'm like, oh my gosh, backdrop, and then with that hook, seasonal wreath through the seasons. And I was so excited. And then I go and I buy it, purchase it, and I go, where's the hook? They said, it doesn't come with the hook. Excuse me, it was on this. Well, probably just for display. So can you believe it? I purchased it and then after the fact, they tell me it's not included. I was like, okay, whatever. So I brought it home and I thought, hey, it kind of matches the wood here. So in this little sitting area, we're going a little bit more rustic. So this is what I'm doing for Christmas in here. And I have my lamp from the Copper Cricket. I love the glow at night, and it's gonna go well with what I'm doing. So I got this at CENTRIC a couple years ago, and I thought to myself, it goes really well with this look, and the wood just kind of reminds me of the manger as the backdrop. Okay, so I added some red ribbon with some gold backing, going to go in with this star. So I just wanted to show a simple way to showcase the baby Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. A lot of people have these beautiful, beautiful nativities they set out. It doesn't matter if you have an elaborate one. It doesn't matter if you have a modest one. Again, it's about the celebration of our Savior, Jesus Christ. I'll probably have to leave this video here if I want to get it edited and out by 3 o'clock. So as much as I wanted to finish this area and my Christmas tree, we'll have to do that another day. And rather than giving you a tour of what we did today, I'm going to do that when we finish this off, and then I'll show you the whole space decorated for Christmas. It's looking so cute. I can't wait to do my tree. I have run out of lights and had to order some. So batteries, lights, and extension cords are on their way, and we'll be back in business. Have a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys back here Friday. Mwah. Bye, guys.